Dictation of Ajmer, official passage number 11, start, provided that any advances or loans which are guaranteed by the government may be made without any specific security, the selling and realization of proceeds of sale of any such promissory notes, participation term certificates, stock receipts, bonds, annuities, stocks, shares, securities or goods which, or the documents of title to which have been deposited with or pledged, hypothecated, assigned or transferred to the bank as security for such advances, loans or credits, or which are held by the bank or over which the bank is entitled to any lien or charge in respect of any such advance of loan or credit or any debt or claim of the bank, and which have not been redeemed in due time in accordance with the terms and conditions. Such deposit, pledge, hypothecation, assignment or transfer, the advancing and lending of money, courts of wards upon the security of estates in their charge or under the superintendence, and the realization of such advances or loans and any interest due thereon, provided that no such advance or loan shall be made without previous sanction of the government, the drawing, accepting, discounting, buying and selling of bills of exchange and other negotiable securities, New para. The investing of the funds of the bank in or the underwriting of any stocks, funds, shares, securities, participation, term certificates, bonds or other securities for money issued by a public limited company or any corporation established by or under any law for the time being in force or under the authority of the government or the State Bank of Pakistan, converting and covering the same into money when required, and altering and transposing any such investment for or into any other of such investments, the issuing of letters of credit, the buying and selling of gold and silver, whether coined or uncoined, the receiving of deposits and keeping cash accounts on such terms as may be agreed on, the acceptance of the charge of plate, jewels, title deeds or other valuable goods on such terms as may be agreed on, the managing, selling and realizing of all property, whether movable or immovable, which may in any way come into the possession of the bank in satisfaction or part satisfaction of any of its claims, and acquisition and holding, and generally the dealing with any right, title or interest in any property, movable or immovable, which may be bank's security for any advance or loan or may be connected with any such security, provided that the bank shall not take over the management of any such property except in pursuance of any agreement with the debtor or of an order, judgment or decree of a court of competent jurisdiction, the transaction of pecuniary agency business on commission and the entering into of contracts of indemnity, suretyship or guarantee with specific security or otherwise, and the underwriting, participating in and carrying out of the issue of any stock, shares, participation, term certificates and other securities, the administration of estates for any purpose, full stop and close.